Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Strava Run and Bike app on your device. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open either the Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. These are the official app marketplaces where you can safely download applications to your phone. Just locate the icon on your home screen and tap on it to open. Once you're inside the store, look at the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Tap on it and type in Strava. This will pull up the official Strava running and cycling app along with any related results. Make sure you're selecting the correct app, the one that's specifically for running and biking, as there might be other fitness apps with similar names. After the search results appear, you'll see the Strava app listed at the top. Right next to the app icon and name, you'll notice a button that says either install if you're on Android or get if you're on iOS. This button is what you'll need to tap to begin downloading the app to your device. Go ahead and click on it now. Once you tap that button, the download and installation process will begin automatically. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much of the app has been downloaded. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the app, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Just be patient and let the process complete without closing the App Store or interrupting the download. After the installation finishes, the button will change to say Open. At this point, the Strava app is fully installed on your device and ready to use. You can either tap the Open button directly from the App Store, or you can go back to your home screen where you'll now see the Strava app icon. Tap on it to launch the application for the first time. When the app opens, you'll be greeted with the login or sign up screen. If you already have a Strava account, you can enter your credentials to log in. If you're new to Strava, you'll need to create an account by providing your email, setting a password, and filling in some basic information about yourself. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to all of Strava's features for tracking your runs, bike rides, and other activities. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Strava app and you're ready to start tracking your fitness activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.